Luscombe Suzuki Leeds are proud to offer this lovely Suzuki Swift 1 litre Boosterjet SZ-T finished in the appealing sovereign silver metallic. The car's a 19 plate, it's got full service history and it's had one careful owner. The car has covered 25,715 miles and the warranty is until March 2022. Beautiful alloy wheels and rear tinted windows. Obviously, being the new style Suzuki, it's a 5-door. Have a look in the boot. 60/40 split folding seats for your convenience. And this car is equipped with a spare wheel, which is very unusual. These cars normally come with an inflation kit, but obviously the previous owner decided to buy a spare wheel, so that will obviously come with the car. So that's an added benefit to this car. I've checked over the bodywork is immaculate, as are the alloy wheels. The SZ-T is our best selling and much loved model due to its ability to provide excellent value for money, coupled with lots of specification and driver comforts. The car will comfortably transport 5 adults and has ample room for luggage. Let's take a look inside. As you open the door, you're greeted with a nice, spacious, airy interior, and the car is equipped with an advanced infotainment system that includes digital radio to keep everybody entertained with clear, crisp signal. The car's got Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, whichever phone you may have, so you can seamlessly link up your phone. It's easy to mirror your sat-nav and stream music. The car also has Bluetooth to stay connected to friends and family, and for anybody like me who doesn't like reverse parking or getting into tight spaces, fear not, the SZ-T is equipped with a reverse camera which takes some of the pressure off. So here at Luscombe's we take great pride in our used cars. We have an extensive industry leading preparation service. You'll be pleased to know that you'll receive a service by one of our Suzuki trained technicians for the look in your owner before leaving. To book a test drive, give us a call. It's 0113 271 2288, and thank you for watching this video.